Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Food Tech 360. In this video, we are doing Food Tech Quiz number 28, topic Agronomy Set 2. It consists of 30 MCQs. So watch till end and comment down your score out of 30. This video is sponsored by India's #1 online education platform, Unacademy. We are so happy and proud to be a partner channel of Unacademy. Unacademy is providing free live classes for Kerala PhD exam and other competitive exams. So if you are looking for a government job, Unacademy is the best place for the preparation. So download Unacademy learning app from the Play Store and log into the app and choose your required course to unlock free classes. Click on free live classes from the dashboard. After that, it will ask for a referral code. You can use FoodTech360 as the referral code to unlock all free classes and free tests on Unacademy. Unacademy learning app link is given in the description. So without any further delay, let's get started. Question number 31. The ratio of economic yield to the total biomass yield is called as options A. Heterosis, B. Inbreeding effect, C. Harvest index, D. Yield index. Correct answer C. Harvest index. Question number 32. The process of replacement of one atom by another atom of similar size in a crystal lattice of soil clay without disrupting or changing the crystal structure of the mineral is termed as options A. Isomorphic substitution, B. Crystal substitution, C. Anisomorphic substitution, D. Mineral substitution. Correct answer A. Isomorphic substitution. Question number 33. Phalaris minor in wheat can be controlled by using herbicide called options A. Glycoside, B. Chlorpyrifos, C. Isoproteron, D. 2,4-D. Correct answer C. Isoproteron. Question number 34. The scientist who called as the father of tillage is options A. Ishivata, B. Arnold, C. Arnold, D. Jethro Tull. Correct answer D. Jethro Tull. Question number 35. In 1904, Bersim was introduced into India from options A. Egypt, B. South Africa, C. USA, D. Japan. Correct answer A. Egypt. Question number 36. The ideal stage of harvest of jute for fiber purpose is options A. 1 month old, B. Small pod stage, C. Flowering, D. Mature pod stage. Correct answer B. Small pod stage. Question number 37. Plants capable of growing in a rock crevices are called as options A. Hydrophytes, B. Oxylophytes, C. Lithophytes, D. Hexophytes. Correct answer C. Lithophytes. Question number 38. The Central Agriculture University is located at options A. Almora, B. Sikki, C. Hyderabad, D. Manipur. Correct answer D. Manipur. Question number 39. The scientist who has been called as the father of natural farming is options A. Ishivada, B. Masanobu Fukuoka, C. Jethro Tull, D. Arnold. Correct answer B. Masanobu Fukuoka. Question number 40. Weight of one cotton bale is equal to options A. 160 kg, B. 180 kg, C. 170 kg, D. 178 kg. Correct answer C. 170 kg. Question number 41. The Wheat and Maize Improvement Center is located at options A. El Batan, Mexico, B. Lima, C. Manila, Philippines, D. Rome. Correct answer El Batan, Mexico. Question number 42. Varalakshmi is an interspecific variety of cotton evolved at options A. Udaipur, B. Nagpur, C. Dharwad, D. Anand. Correct answer C. Darwar. Question number 43. The instrument used to measure the fineness of the fiber quality in cotton is called options A. Micronair, B. Lysimeter, C. Macronair, D. Infiltrometer. Correct answer A. Micronair. Question number 44. The system of farming on a particular farm which includes crop production, raising livestock, poultry, fisheries, beekeeping, etc. to sustain and satisfy as many needs of the farmer as possible is called options A. Intercropping, B. Mixed cropping, C. Intensive cropping, D. Mixed farming. Correct answer D. Mixed farming. Question number 45. The element that is very essential in the process of nitrogen fixation is options A. Manganese, B. Molybdenum, C. Sodium, D. Zinc. Correct answer B. Molybdenum. Question number 46. In 1987, the first Indian who had got the World Food Prize is options A. Dr. M. V. Rao, B. Dr. Subramaniam, C. Dr. M. S. Swaminathan, D. Dr. R. S. Paroda. Correct answer C. Dr. M. S. Swaminathan. Question number 47. The material which is applied on the soil surface to check evaporation and improve the soil water status is called as options A. Retting, B. Spray, C. Buffer, D. Mulch. Correct answer D. Mulch. Question number 48. The oil content in the cotton seed ranges from options A. 10 to 15%, B. 25 to 35%, C. 15 to 25%, D. 40 to 42%. Correct answer C. 15 to 25%. Question number 49. The optimum seed rate for sunflower is options A. 8 to 10, B. 18 to 20, C. 10 to 15, D. 30 to 35. Correct answer A. 8 to 10. Question number 50. In India, Protection of Plant Varieties and Farmers' Right Authority PPV and FRA is located at options A. Chennai, B. New Delhi, C. Chandigarh, D. Lucknow. Correct answer B. New Delhi. T20 Test Series is one of the largest online free test series in Kerala for LDC prelims. The series will have daily practice tests of 20 questions on India facts, Indian Constitution, Kerala facts, mathematics, science and current affairs containing questions from the important recent topics and mock tests aimed at the upcoming exam, one topic per day as per the schedule. The test has been created by the best minds in Kerala PSC exam preparation domain and is also aided by the combined knowledge base of the finest educators we have in our platform. All Kerala ranking for the test would be provided if you take up the test live. You will also have the facility to write the test even after the live test is over. The test paper would be available in Malayalam only. Question number 51. The ratio of total cropped area in different seasons to the total land area is known as options A. Cropping Intensity Index, B. Aridity Index, C. Competition Index, D. Cropping Intensity. Correct answer D. Cropping Intensity. Question number 52. The crops that helps in the nourishment of other crops by providing shade and acting as climbing sticks are called options A. Catch crops, B. Mixed crops, C. Nurse crops, D. Cover crops. Correct answer C. Nurse crops. Question number 53. The condition arising due to the exchange of heat between a growing crop and hot air whereby air over the crop is cooled is called as options A. Ecology, B. Oasis effect, C. Edaphology, D. Nutrient indexing. Correct answer B. Oasis effect. Question number 54. holistic production management system which promotes and enhances agro-ecosystem health, including biodiversity, biological cycles, and soil biological activity is called as options A. Intensive agriculture, B. Organic farming, C. Subsistence agriculture, D. Organic agriculture. Correct answer D. Organic agriculture. Question number 55. Rancidity in sunflower oil is caused by options A. Reduction, B. Scarification, C. Acidification, D. Oxidation. Correct answer D. Oxidation. Question number 56. An agricultural production system that is completely or mostly excludes the use of synthetically compounded fertilizers, pesticides, or growth regulations is referred to as options A. Nutrient antagonism, B. Nutrient indexing, C. Organic agriculture, D. Organic farming. Correct answer D. Organic farming. Question number 57. Linseed belongs to family options A. Liliaceae, B. Tiliaceae, C. Linaceae, D. Pedaliaceae. Correct answer C. Linaceae. Question number 58. The rice inflorescence is known as options A. Panicle, B. Ear, C. Spiculates, D. Siliqua. Correct answer A. Panicle. Question number 59. In 1960, soybean crop was introduced in India from options A. USA, B. Japan, C. China, D. Indonesia. Correct answer A. USA. Question number 60. Name a crop that caused maximum reduction in soil alkalinity. Options A. Sunflower, B. Soybean, C. Pea, D. Rice. Correct answer D. Rice. If you have missed out our previous food tech quizzes, we have linked them down in the description. For daily updates and study materials, you can join us on our Telegram channel, Facebook and Instagram. Unacademy has started a course for 10th level prelims from December 2nd. In this course, top educators will help you prepare for 10th level prelims exam. The course will be helpful for aspirants preparing for Kerala PSC. Learners at any stage of their preparation will be benefited from the course. All doubts related to the topic will be clarified during the doubt clearing session in this course. The course will be covered in Malayalam and the notes will be provided in Malayalam. So join this 60 days course to get a successful result in your prelims exam. You can use FoodTech360 as the referral code to get 10% discount on your subscription. Unacademy is providing special class marathon for those who are preparing for LGS or field worker exam of 10th level prelims from 7th and 8th of December. These top class educators will help you to get a better results for your exams. The course is absolutely free if you unlock the classes using FoodTech360 as a referral code. Link for this course has given in the description.